How many men does it take to hold a transmission pop?
Gilligan said he the boss. Gilligan said he the boss of these guys.
Open the back door, yeah.
There it is. Gilligan said he the boss of his house. He going to Prescott with us. Good, boss. Thanks, Gilligan. You running your stuff? You running your stuff? What Gilligan tell me, please? I run this house. He said, I run the house. He said, y'all fix it.
Gilligan old lady gonna see this and whoop his tail when he get home.
You going to Prescott with us?
Oh man, where the bass go in your boys?
I had an old buddy years ago, and we said, come on, let's go down there to the street and go on with it. No, I can't go. About an hour later, he says, give me 20 minutes, I'll go home and piss her off. I'll be right back.
Uh-oh, look, she done got him. Look, he's serious all the time. We be playing. When she ain't home.
Hey, I guarantee you she wears the pants in the house. He may be the suspenders that holds them up.
What she want?
I don't know. Oh, what you got going on, man? She got down Crescent. She got Crescent.
Yeah, we got the Hummingbird fixed. Here we call Prescott, Arkansas.
Talk.
The Hummingbird is fixed. Mate, what do you say? We took Prince Albert and we shimmed that torque converter. Was it 3,000s or 4,000s? We shimmed it. With that 4,000s, we took a Prince Albert can and shimmed it. We used this right here, same thing. That real thin, put that metal in there. It ain't a Neil Chance no more converter. It's a jack leg JJ the Boss converter.
Do you got a deep well?
Uh-oh. We're going back with it, y'all. I don't know what that jack leg over there doing. Chitterilla, what you doing?
I'm getting a deep well. Where's the rest of the boat? I bet he knows what the hell to get. I need a deep well.
Half-inch 12-point.
Yeah.
Y'all ever seen a monkey make love to a football? That's what we look like out here going putting the transmission in. It's back in though. All right. We're gonna be at Prescott, Arkansas Saturday. Tomorrow, y'all, Small Tire. Y'all come see us, Prescott, Arkansas. We're gonna be on Small Tire. All right. The weird looking dude right there with the cowboy hat, he gonna be there. He trying to bet, what you say, you want to bet $50 on Old Heavy first round?
Whatever they want to bet.
Uh-oh. I 25 of it covered. Where Night Force at? You sold it. Uh-oh, he done sold Night Force, he said, y'all. Be careful, because he'll lie. Him and Precious, they related. Precious tell you Old Heavy weigh 4720. That damn thing don't weigh 1,500 pounds. Uh-oh. That's that little chunky sister-in-law right there. One got me out of jail the other night. See the little chunky one? Look at her feet. She ain't got chunky toes. Let's go talk to Precious, y'all. Precious don't do no mechanic work. She the queen. She the queenie. Somebody said, why you smiling about, Queenie? Huh?
I'm gonna go home.
Huh?
I'm gonna go home. We ready to go.
We're getting ready to do it. We're getting ready to go to Prescott, Arkansas, Queenie. You gonna have that Malibu ready? Yep. We loading up. All right, y'all. We're gonna see y'all this weekend. I'm gonna be giving rides in Old Heavy. Bring them ugly kids out. They get in free. Nah, the babs, keep the babs at home. Gilligan. Somebody on here just said, Gilligan is not the boss if he wants to come back into the golf course.
Who said that?
Hold on, let me see the name. They said you ain't running nothing at your house but your mouth.
Who is that?
What they said? Hey, they said Gilligan ain't running nothing but his mouth.
Who is that?
Jackie Robertson. They said they live right up the street from you in the big house. Huh? What's your wife's name so we can tell her on the live feed if you ain't coming? Allison, he ain't coming home. When he gonna be home, Lee? He'll be home Wednesday. What do you say? He going to Prescott. He'll be in Prescott, Arkansas Saturday. Tuesday, where we gotta go?
I gotta go to New Jersey.
Yeah, he going to New Jersey Tuesday. Then we're gonna go to Florida this weekend. The next weekend, we gotta go to Immokalee, Florida. Next weekend, we're gonna be there in Immokalee, Florida next weekend. Y'all wanna see some weird looking stuff? Look at all that hair Buster got on his arm, y'all. Look at it. Look, see all that hair?
Shot.
That's our hair. That's brother-in-law right there. He the one. Hold on, let me jump off. Let me. I'm gonna jump off here, y'all. Batter, swing! The hummingbird is back. I think it never left though, really, to tell you the truth. Uh-oh. Here we go. Putting the hot shot transmission fluid in there, y'all. About that. We're gonna see if it works, y'all. Here we go. Crank it up. They say if it'll crunk, it'll run. We got the transmission fixed, we think. We got to fix it, we got to think. We think we got to fix it. Who's doing it? Think. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Act right. Come on. Act right, hummingbird. Oh, yeah. Come on. Act right. Tighten up, hummingbird. Yeah, point. Check your points, loser. I think it might out of fuel. I think we're out of fuel. Check our transmission fluid, see if we're right. I run what are we running here? No, it's Coleman Count fuel. Is it full? Pull the hood out, see it's full. I think we got it, y'all. We got the transmission back in it. Yeah, let's fill it up. We're gonna see if it works. We're gonna do a burnout. We cranked this Hemi up in this big shot neighborhood where Lee Roberts lived there, run us off. We got some fuel, midget? For real? You got some two-stroke? Man, you and Lee Roberts, y'all slipping. I might trade y'all all first chance, I guess. Set it up there to really check and make sure it's out of fuel. It might not be out. That might be the points. No, I got enough fuel cranking.
Hold on, look.
That's enough to crank it, ain't it?
No, it's below the thing.
It's below it?
It's started by fuel.
Yeah, we might not need to crank it, y'all.
By the time it sucks, it'll probably.
Yeah, we got to just hold it. It's right. Think it's right? Chillerilla, is it right? Let's do it. I need you to find out. I know I got small tires on it. Here we come, Prescott. Prescott, Arkansas. Let's do it. Load it up. We up and rolling, y'all. Let's put it in a trailer. We'll get some fuel when we get there. Somebody bring me some regular unleaded. What kind of two-stroke oil we use? Huh? clocks? I can't say that. Same thing you put in the Husqvarna. That's what I need. Oh, that's too high dollar. We use that 16 to 1. Somebody bring me this 2-stroke over. That's all I need to put in my transmission. Use the same oil in that benches I use in that Hummingbird. All right, y'all. I think we got it fixed. We took a Prince Albert tobacco can, shimmed it. You ain't got to have all that old fancy stuff. Them people tell you got to have, charge you $18 million and tell you got to have this and that and all that old bullshit. We took some Prince Albert can, cut us a Prince Albert can, shimmed it up. As long as it's close to the same thing, it'll work. I ain't going to be on the interstate anyway. We got it rolling. Here we come.